Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing to my channel. And while you're at it, smash that like button for me. I really would appreciate it. Also, hit that post notification bell for me so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. Be careful down in the comment section of the videos, guys. A lot of spam, a lot of scammers. I will never ask you to contact me through WhatsApp. And I also do not invest money for my subscribers. So be careful. Don't get yourself scammed. If you want 6 free stocks, Webull is going to give you 6 free stocks when you open up a new Webull brokerage account. Put at least 1 penny in that account. They're going to give you 6 free stocks valued all the way up to $12,600. So after the video, I want you guys to go down to the description box of the video. Click on that Webull link. Open up your new account today. Go get that free stock. Go get that free money. Well, guys, I made myself a little money today. Net worth gain. Put some net worth in my pocket today. Now, long term though, but I planted the seed today by pulling the trigger on some of my favorite companies, one of my favorite ETFs. And I think in 3, 4, 5 years from now, I'm gonna 3x my money. And that's what I wanted to talk about today. I've gotten some comments in the comment section of the videos. I've also gotten a few DMs where some of my subscribers are saying, hey, Richard, when do you take your profits off the table? So I wanted to talk a little bit about my methodology. Now, I'm not a financial advisor, guys. I'm not telling you what to do with your money. You have to make that decision for yourself. But on my channel, I like to share with you guys the way I do things. Hey, if you want to follow that, you certainly can, but you certainly don't have to. So I'm going to give you the 3 stages I take my money through when I invest it in the stock market. Stage 1, the accumulation stage. That's where I accumulate my favorite companies. I accumulate my favorite ETFs and I accumulate my favorite cryptos. Now we're in an accumulation phase right now, which is this bear market that we're in. Everything's on sale. So it's time for me to accumulate. And I believe this bear market is going to last us 2 to 3 years. So that's the amount of time I will be accumulating my assets through the stock market. Now, once you get out of the accumulation stage, you go into what I call the growth stage. The growth stage also can be a bull market. So we're currently in a bear market. That's going to last 2 to 3 years, like I mentioned earlier. Once we come out of this bear market, we're going to be in the beginning stage of a bull market. I also like to call that the growth stage. That's where all of those assets, those blue chip companies, those blue chip ETFs, blue chip cryptos that I acquired during my bear market, during my acquisition stage, that's where they start growing, right? They start growing and growing and growing. And all that means is, see, I bought these companies in the accumulation stage at a discount. They were on sale. So now as they go back up in value, per share value, I call that the growth stage. And again, that's the bull market that I'm talking about. That normally lasts 10 to 12 years, guys. Now, the third stage is what I call the exit stage. During that 10 to 12 year bull market or growth stage, I have the option to take my profits when I'm comfortable with taking them. Let's say, for instance, I bought Apple at $130 a share during the accumulation stage. And now I'm in the growth stage and Apple has went from $130 a share to $150 a share. I have the option of taking my profits at that point. I've just grew my Apple per share stock price from 130 to 150, $20 per share profit, I can take it at that point in the growth stage. Or I can elect to leave it in and allow it to continue to compound in the stock market and continue growing. Like I said, though, that growth stage normally lasts 10 to 12 years. So somewhere in that 10 to 12 years, I got to make a decision if I want to take my profits or leave them in for a little bit longer. But guys, that is the process or the methodology that I use when I'm investing in the stock market. Right now, we're in a down cycle. We're in a buy cycle. Okay? Like I said, 2 to 3 years, we'll begin the sell cycle, in my opinion. Again, guys, I'm no expert at this. I'm just telling you guys what I've done over the last 20 years to put me in a position to build wealth through the stock market. You certainly have to figure out what methodology or what strategy you're going to use. But the acquisition, growth, and exit stages are what I use, and they have served me well. I was talking to one of my subscribers earlier today on a financial coaching and mentoring session that I offer through my company, RF Financial Consulting. And I walked them through that process as well, because they had the same question. At what point, man, do I take my profits? And so I kind of walked them through exactly what I did here in the video, and hopefully it made sense to them. Hopefully it makes sense to you. But again, I'm not telling you to use this methodology. I'm just telling you this is what I use in order to determine when is it the right time for me to think about taking profit. Certainly right now in the, the accumulation stage is not the time where I'm going to be trying to take any profits, because there are no profits. Everything is really just being invested right now in a situation where the market is down. And then once we get to that growth period, that 10 to 12 year bull run period, that's when I'll be considering when to take my profits in that exit stage. Drop me some comments down below in the comment box and let me know what type of strategy do you guys use to determine when you buy and sell your favorite companies, favorite ETFs, and favorite cryptos. Would love to hear what type of strategy you guys use as well. If you want those 6 free stocks from Webull, guys, go down to the description block, click on that Webull link, open up your new account today, go get that free stock, go get that free money. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing, share the video, smash the like button. Thoughts become things. You can see it in your mind. You can hold it in your hands. You guys keep chasing your greatness, never stop believing in yourself, and I'm gonna catch you on the next video. Peace. Today's video is sponsored by my company, RF Financial Consulting. And in my company, I work with individuals just like you through financial mentoring and coaching sessions. And in those 1-hour sessions, we talk about strategies to help you get to your financial freedom, whether it be through real estate investing, stock market investing, creating additional streams of income, credit card arbitrage, or starting and growing a business. If that's something that you might be interested in, there's an email address in the description box of the video. Send me an email and let's discuss if I'm the right fit for you.